Welcome to our countdown top for best glass grinders. Number 4. Inland Craftwiz Glass Grinder Stained Glass Grinding Shaping Machine. Includes 2 diamond grinding bits. Number 3. Gryphon Studio Stained Glass Grinder. It offers professional quality performance at a hobbyist price. Number 2. Gryphon Gryphette Glass Grinder. Perfect for beginners. The best value in a glass grinder today. Number 1. Gryphon Convertible Professional Stained Glass Grinder. Simply rotating the base, the grinding surface converts from horizontal to inclined.